This is Eric with Curated Bid, your home for hand-selected adventure-ready vehicles. Today we're going to talk about a 2001 Toyota 4Runner SR5 for sale for $24,000, located in Northern California. Let's get into it. This 4Runner is for sale in San Jose, California. And we should first look at, why is it curated? Well, you can't go wrong with the Toyota 4Runner, and this example is no exception. Notable upgrades include the ToyTec Lift Kit, the ARB front bumper, ARB snorkel, and ARB differential breather, PowerStop disc brake rotors, and poly bushings. The Warn winch is going to get you out of trouble should you get in over your head or you need to go help a friend. And the black on tan exterior and interior look clean in the pics, and combined with the updated wheel and tire package makes for a fine looking adventure ready vehicle. What are the specifics of this thing? Well, as mentioned, it's a 2001 Toyota 4Runner SR5. Of course, it's four-wheel drive. It's got 155,000 miles on it. It's an automatic with a 3.4-liter V6 and a clean title. Come to curatedbid.com to see more details about this great-looking 4Runner and other adventure vehicles as well.